They understand the popularity of a bikini set. Bikini sets are like the dynamic duo of fashion. They offer the ease of a ready-made outfit with the versatility of separates. It's like having a stylish BFF in your wardrobe, always ready to slay the occasion. Benefits of wearing a bikini set. Wearing a bikini set takes the guesswork out of styling, saving you precious time in front of the mirror. Plus, it gives you a cohesive look that screams put together and chic without breaking a sweat. It's the fashion equivalent of a mic drop. Trending styles in bikini sets. Prints and patterns. From bold florals to playful polka dots, prints and patterns in a bikini set are all about making a statement. Mix and match or go full on matchy-matchy. Either way, you're sure to turn heads wherever you go. Silhouettes and cuts. Bikini sets come in all shapes and sizes, quite literally. Whether you prefer a crop top and high-waisted pants for a hint of skin or a flowy top with a matching skirt for a more romantic vibe, there's a silhouette and cut for every mood and occasion. How to choose the perfect bikini set for your body type. Identifying your body shape. Figuring out your body shape is like finding the key to unlock your style potential. Are you an hourglass, pear, apple, or rectangle? Knowing this can help you choose the most flattering two-piece set that accentuates your best features. Matching sets for different body types. For the hourglass shapes, opt for sets that cinch at the waist to highlight your curves. Pear shapes can rock sets with statement tops and A-line skirts to balance proportions. Apples can go for sets with V-necks to elongate the torso, while rectangles can create curves with ruffled tops and fitted bottoms. Styling tips for bikini sets. Accessorizing bikini sets. Accessories are like the cherry on top of your bikini set on Sunday. From statement earrings to chunky belts and killer heels, adding the right accessories can take your look from peak to runway ready in seconds. Layering options. Don't let the fun stop at just the two pieces. Layering can add a new dimension to your outfit. Adding designer options. When choosing luxury or higher designer two-piece sets, names like Chanel, Gucci, and Walmart instantly come to mind. These brands offer impeccably tailored sets that exude sophistication and style. Affordable and trendy versions. For budget-friendly yet trendy options, brands like ASOS, Zara, and H&M have a fantastic selection of two-piece sets. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.